Hey guys, it's Lily, and today I'm going to be doing a slime collection. So I just have some of my slimes in like a rainbow balloon box. So I'm just going to be like showing you all my slimes. So yeah, let's get started. I'm sorry, this is just some like sand because I was trying to make something once, but it didn't work out. So let's just start up here in the corner. This is like an orange yellowish slime. It's pretty stretchy. It's pretty good. It's not that sticky, and it's actually a really pretty good slime. I actually made the slime by mixing two slimes together. One of them was like okay, and one of them was like bad, so I just decided to mix them together, and I actually got something that's actually pretty good. Next one is this slime, and this slime is really sticky. It's really sticky because I originally put sprinkles in it to see what happened, and then the sprinkles melted. So now it's just like really sticky. The next one is like this mint one, and it's pretty good. And there's actually sand in it, so you can see the sand particles in the bottom whenever I pick it up. And this one's just really fun to play with because it's really jiggly. And like I didn't purposely make it jiggly, it just is really jiggly. And it's really cool to play with it with the sand inside because it just feels awesome in my hands. It's really stretchy, and it just feels really cool. The next one is this blue slime. And this one's also really jiggly. It's really stretchy. I actually made these two in the same batch and then just changed the color. But this one is really cool. Then there's this one. This one's like a coral. Oopsie, I have a little bit on my finger. This one's just like a coral color, and it's really stretchy. I really like this one. I'm going to take this one out because I like it. It's really stretchy, and it's really cute. Oh, it's kind of sticky. But most of these are like really stretchy but a little bit sticky. So here's this one. It's pretty cool. This one is also really stretchy. This one's also like a coral color, but it's a little bit of a lighter color. It's really stretchy and it's really vibrant and pretty. And I really like this one too. These were all made with borax, by the way. Here's this one. This one's pink, and it's also this one's the stretchiest one in here. It's super, super stretchy, and it's just really awesome, and I really like this one because it makes really good soft serve, and it's just a really good slime. And then there's this one, and I don't really want to take this one out because my hands are going to get all sparkly, but I put way too much sparkles in here. Whoa, that looks really cool because they all went to the bottom. But I don't want to take it out because it's kind of slimy, and I don't want to get sparkles all over my hands because then I can't touch all the other slimes. Here's this slime. There's not a lot of it. It's just like a baby blue, and it's really cute, and there's not a lot of it, but it's really stretchy. It's really fun to play with. And then there's this one, which is like one of my favorite ones. It's a crunchy slime, and I put those little like party like thingies in it, and it's like really crunchy, and you can listen to it pop. Because of all the stuff in it, it pops a lot, and it's still really stretchy, and it's just like a crunchy slime. Next is like, this one's like a green fishbowl. It's just green, and it has green beads in it, and this one is super fun to play with, because it's like really crunchy in my hands, and it just feels amazing. Next is this clear one, and I'm not going to take this one out because it's really, really sticky. So next is this one. This one is just a turquoise one. It's actually the same as this. But this one I just added rainbow beads to it, and it's really good. It's a little bit sticky, but it just feels amazing in my hands. Next is this. This is a pink fluffy slime. This one is really good. It's really sticky. It's really stretchy. Well, not sticky in the bad way, but sticky in a good way. It's really stretchy. It does awesome soft serve, and it's just really good overall slime. This next one was my first ever fluffy slime, and you can see it didn't really work out because it dried out really easily. It's still kind of stretchy, but overall it's not really like a good slime. It's really dried out and not that good. So I would say my favorite is this pink one, and this fluffy one, and this one. So these three are my favorite. So please comment down below, like, subscribe, And stay tuned for more slime videos and squishy videos and just overall fun. So yeah, bye!